whatever we have discussed on that, the questions are there only. Which one? Question number? What causes equable climate? 6 and 16. What is the effect of latitude on temperature? This question in my book it is 18. Kindly read the question. This question you are asking is state the reason for the differential heating of land and water. In this question you have to write the process. Why earth is heated rapidly as compared to the water. Which one causes? In question number 6? In my question is also different in my book. They are saying state the reason for the differential heating of land and water. Radiation. The amount of radiation. It depends upon that. Okay. And question number 6. What is the effect of latitude on temperature? This question?
No, I was asking that this question is kind of repeating. What causes the differential heating and what is the reason of differential heating?
Okay.
These are two separate questions.
But they are asking comparison between land and water. Differential heating of land and water. Okay. And in this question number 6, they are asking effect of latitude on temperature. They are asking in respect of, because I think my book is quite different from you. That is why. What causes the differential heating of land and water? 6 and 16. This one, no? 16. State the reason for the this one I have explained just now.
Yes.
And this one, what causes the differential heating of land and water? Similarity is there.
So what?
Attempt one only. Okay.
And what is like equilibrium?
That I will explain. Equable climate. Equable climate, I think, no? So students, equable climate. Basically, you have to understand the term what is equable. If you will look at this term equable, so it will automatically come that it relates to the equality. And if we will talk about the climate, so it means it is a kind of climate where variations are less, or you can say fluctuation are less. Okay, so means day and night, during day and night temperature is changing much, but not that much. So that type of climate we will call at the equable climate. Okay, and majorly this type of climate is found near the coastal areas, seashore. Okay, you can say that water bodies are there. They are not easily heat up and not easily radiate the heat. So you can write that. Okay, so this is equable climate. And this in distinguish between, it is clear, continental and marine type of climate. It is there in your book. Question? Distinguish between continental and marine type of climate. It is there?
Only continental interior something is very reasons. The climate of continental interiors is of comparatively extreme type.
The climate of continental interior is of comparatively extreme type. See this continental interiors. This continental interior climate, they are saying they are extreme in type, extreme in nature. See this term is related to the earth interior. So as you know that earth heat up easily, and if heat will go inside more, so what happen? Interior will be more hotter. So you can see that this land easily gets the heat and easily radiated back. So you can see here extreme type of climate you can see, means summers are hot and comparatively in these regions days in winters days are colder but not that much. So here you will experience much fluctuations in the climate. Here you cannot say that these areas are of equable climate. So they are facing extreme type of climate where you can see different changes. And here draw a neat diagram, show the effect of latitude on solar radiation. This is so easy, so you can explain and draw also.
This one, no?
This one?
This one, no?
Yes, latitude one. Any other query related to this? No? Okay. Now move on to the next chapter, that is your chapter number, I think 10. I told you that we will discuss this chapter later. So today inshallah we will start this chapter. And this chapter is related to tides and ocean currents. I hope that ocean currents topic is quite clear, and rest of the things which are related to this topic we will discuss inshallah. Try to complete your work also. Okay. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 10. Okay, and this chapter is related to tides and ocean currents. I hope these topics are not new for you, especially this. Remember in first chapter I have given one project also, I think, or in the previous class last year, neap tide and another spring tide, I think. Okay, so let it be. Inshallah we will discuss other concept related to these two terms. Okay, before going to start this chapter, I just want to give some of the introduction. Okay, see, up till now we have studied different types of landforms. Okay, different types of landforms like mountains, valleys and other things. And apart from this, we have studied about the different kind of spheres, realms of the earth, spheres of the earth, like realms of the earth, spheres, different spheres of the earth, realms of the earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, biosphere. Then we will join all these spheres, so it will give you biosphere. Okay, this is the combination of these spheres. Okay, so if we will talk about especially this sphere, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, it is related to water bodies. So this chapter is related to this sphere of hydrosphere. Okay, so basically in this chapter we will study the sphere of hydrosphere. Okay, and especially in this we will discuss the different movements of water. Movement of water. There are water moves or not? Moves? Yes, obviously. So in this chapter basically we will discuss this topic, water bodies and the movement of water in this. Okay, so if we will talk about the arrangement of water and land. If you will look at the world map, do you feel that there is an equable or equal distribution of land and water on the earth? No. It is, I guess no. Yes? Oh yes. So you can say that 71% what? Land area. So they are opposite in nature. Less and more. In first chapter I introduced one term, that is antipodal arrangement. Antipodal arrangement of land and water. Remember? Arrangement kind of things. I'm just giving you hint here. Arrangement. Random arrangement. Random we cannot say, but it is a kind of arrangement. But what arrangement? Yes, it is unequal and opposite distribution of land and water. If we will look at the world map, suppose, okay, if you will see the northern part, if you will look at the northern part especially, here in this northern part you will feel that landforms or land area is more. Land area is more as compared to the water bodies. Okay, and if you will go to southward, okay, here you will realize that water is more, means water bodies you will found more. Understood? So this is the antipodal arrangement of land and water. Okay, so they are unequally distributed. Now this is yes, Antarctica. Yes, Antarctica here. Okay, so here it will come in the southern part. Okay.
Would it be considered as land or water?
Antarctica, it is a continent, I think. Yes. But it also it considered to be the landform. But Antarctica is also, how many oceans are there? Count. 7 continents and oceans are 5. Okay, now name them. Oceans are Pacific,
Indian Ocean and Atlantic.
okay, fine. So here, can anybody tell what do you mean by the ocean current? Little bit I have explained this topic in the previous class also. Anybody? Ocean currents, about what are ocean currents? Ocean currents. Okay. First is it is
only one direction.
okay. Flow in a direction. Yes, Ajlan. Sorry, Gibran. You were saying something about this. Flow of okay. Movement of water. Fine. Just read out this topic, ocean currents and their circulation.